Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Your Airtel number must be active, and your device must support eSIM. Open the Airtel Thanks app or call customer care to request an eSIM. Once done, verify your identity with Aadhaar or passport details and prepare to receive an OTP. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. This prevents interruption during QR download. You're starting the activation now, so follow prompts immediately to avoid session timeouts, and keep your original SIM inserted until final swap. You requested the eSIM, and now you'll generate and fetch the QR code. This is the core step. In the app, choose Request eSIM, fill verification details, and accept terms, then Airtel sends the QR via app or SMS. Once you have it, open your phone's cellular settings, choose Add Cellular Plan, and scan the QR. After scanning, name the plan and set primary or secondary as needed. Make sure to accept carrier permissions, otherwise activation won't proceed. You're at the finish line. After scanning, allow the profile to install and watch for the carrier confirmation message. Once installed, restart your phone, then set the eSIM as default for data or calls in settings if you want it primary. Only remove the physical SIM after you confirm network bars on the eSIM. If something goes wrong, rescan the QR, verify the OTP and internet connection, and contact Airtel support with the request ID. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.